Okay, guys. So can see in most of in few organizations we have many more environments. So we have sandbox and we can say sandbox environment, UAT environment, staging environment, temporary environment, base dev, base test. We have different names. Okay, with the different names we have many more environments. Okay, but minimally we have three environments in each and every organization. Okay, as per the organization requirements, so they will follow many more environments to develop some functionalities. Okay, so what are the environments we will see within the organization in real time? Development environment, testing environment, production environment. In the development environment, we will complete our development work. Once it is completed, we'll move our work to testing environment. If testing is passed, then we will move our work to production environment by using the change request. We'll discuss change request in the further classes. Okay. So we have Servicenow instance URL here. You can see this is Servicenow instance URL. How to identify whether it is a development environment or it is a production environment or it is a testing environment. Okay, how to identify those environments. So you can see, so for example, this is our instance name, dev 193952. If in the real time, for example, if we are talking about TCS, tcs.service-now.com, tcs.service-now.com. Okay, this is the production URL. Production URL format should be like this, for example. For example, if we are talking about test environment, tcs test.service-now.com. For example, we are talking about development environment, tcs dev.service-now.com. You can see the format should be like this. If it is a dev environment, within the instance name, within the Servicenow instance URL, you are able to find dev keyword with followed by organization name. Okay. With the testing environment, you will find a test keyword followed by organization name. So if it is a production environment, you will find your organization name dot service-now.com. Okay. So like it depends upon the organization. Okay, it depends upon the organization, the instance name. Okay, somebody make some shortcut names, shortcut names for their company within the Servicenow instance name. There somebody make, for example, tcs1.com, tcs dev1, tcs dev2, tcs dev3, tcs test1, tcs test2, like this also somebody will use. Okay, got it, everybody?
There is no
So
instance number.
no, in the real time we don't have instance numbers. Okay, we have instance name. Here also we have dev 193952, right? So that we are calling as instance name. It's not an instance number. Okay. We don't call it as instance number. We'll call it as instance name. In real time, every instance contains their organization name as instance name. Okay, I will show you few organizations instances. So in the Word document, you can find the formats I have mentioned. So you can see. Instance, if it is a development environment, instance name dev.service-now.com. So if it is a testing environment, instance name test.service-now.com. Production environment, instance name .service-now.com. Okay, the format should be like this. Maybe we'll check few real-time instances. You can say For example, I'm taking Wipro dot service hyphen node.com slash login dot say. I think we don't have. Maybe I'm saying Wipro dev 2 something like that. No, wait. Maybe I'm saying Infosys dot service hyphen node.com. You can see it is redirecting to SSO. Okay. Yes, it is redirecting to some SSO. Simply I will say Infosys dot service hyphen node.com slash login dot com. Okay, it will redirect to platform login page. You can see. Okay, for example, Xerox dot servicenow.com slash login dot com. I'm saying like this. You can see Xerox companies instance should be like this, partner to URL format. For example, and say IBM dot service hyphen now dot login dot com. You can see. Yes. You can see the URL format. For showing URL, it should be like this. For example, DHL. Yes, DHL is courier service. DHL dev dot service hyphen now dot com slash login. Guys, if you are not using slash login dot do, it will redirect to their login page, their third party login page. That's why I'm typing login dot do every time. You can say access restricted. What it means, this service now instance will be exist. We have the service now instance, but we are not authorized person to access this URL. Okay. Maybe dhl.servicenow.com like that. Slash login. Yes, this site is also there. But guys, even if you are getting like this, it means we don't have that website. It's not like that. We have website, but we are not able to access. Maybe most of you guys are already aware. Okay, few websites only work within our environment. Okay, within organizational environments. Within organizational devices only, few websites will work. Next, we can also go for if you have any names suggested, please let me know. Maybe
Axis
Access.
Bank.
Service. No. Yes, we have. For ICICI, am I tried for ICICI?
ఇంటర్వ్యూలో అడుగుతారా అండి మీ ఇన్స్టెన్స్ నేను చెప్పండి అని?
No, mostly not. They will not ask. Okay, mostly they will not ask. Maybe 1 or 2 persons will ask. So you can say we have website, but we don't have access. ICICI development time. Yes, we can able to access them. Maybe Adani, for example. Dot service-com slash login. Guys, now we are logging with username admin password, maybe training at the rate 123 like this, right? So in the real time, it should not like this. In the real time, it should not like this. It will redirect to some third-party login page. It may be Microsoft, it may be Ping ID, it may be Okta. These all are the third-party logins, SSO, we can say, single sign-on. Okay, one username and password for all the applications within the organization. For example, you can see maybe Adani website or Adani URL again I'm typing without login data. It will redirect to some third party login page. Okay, you can see. It is redirecting to some third party Adani's related third party sign in page. Got it, everybody? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So every organization should be like this. The instance name should be like this. Okay. It's not like different company name may or may not within the service or instance name. Maybe some organizations will follow shortcuts. Some organizations will make maybe Adani one, Adani Dev one, like that also. Okay, it depends upon the organization. Okay. Yes, I'm closing all the tabs. This is about environments, and for the each environment, the URL should follow like this. From the environments, so you have any queries, please let me know.
Who will conduct the testing in the second part? The developers only conducted or some another team is there?
Yes, we have to discuss about this question. So you can see, in most of the organizations, most of the projects I work for, okay, developers only done the testing, okay, and I also work for a few bigger projects. Within those projects, we have separate team for testing, okay. It depends upon the organization. It depends upon the project, you can say. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. And one more thing we have to learn here. So for example, one task is assigned to you. Yes. You have completed your task within the development environment. Then after, you have to test your task with your co-developer. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. That we are calling as peer testing. That we are calling as peer testing. So maybe we have 2 members team, 5 members team, 4 members team, or maybe 10 members team, whatever it is. So once our work is completed, we have to explain what we develop to our co-developer. They will test, they will test, and if everything is fine, they will tell you yes, everything is fine. You can move your task to the next environment, that is testing environment. Okay, and the functionality testing, we are calling it as P testing. And here we have one more meetings also there, like for testing, and we have code review also will happen while doing the testing. Okay, so within your team, maybe 1 or 2 members have senior developers. Okay, they will verify your code. Like you have followed best practices or not. You have declared the variables properly. You have created methods properly. All these things will verify. Okay, if any suggestion, even though you have done your work perfectly, there is no mistakes. Sometimes they will suggest some changes within your code. Okay, that also we have to perform. Once these two things are completed, then we will move our work to testing environment. Okay. Once we move our work to testing environment, testing people started working with your work, your task, and they will come to consideration whether your work is success or failed. Okay. Whatever the work you have completed, whether it has defects or if it is pass. If they find any defects within your work, again they will come to you and they will raise a defect task for your work. Again, you have to complete those, you have to clear those issues within the development environment. Again, you have to check with your co-developer if everything is fine. Again, you have to move those defect tasks to test environment. Once testing is done, testing people will pass your work. Okay. Once testing is completed, then whoever assigned the work to you, for example, Vijaya was assigned work to you. Okay. Vijaya was assigned work to you. Vijaya has to review your work before going to the production environment. This we are calling as UAT testing. This we are calling as UAT testing. User acceptance testing. This we are calling it as UAT testing. User acceptance testing. Whoever created task for you, they will test finally. Once they given the sign off on your task, you have to move your task to production environment by using the change request. Okay, we'll discuss change request in further classes. Got it, everybody? The process, how the process should be in the real time.
ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి ప్రతి ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ పైన యాక్సెస్ ఉంటుందా అండి?
Yes, everybody have access
admin
to.
developer,
Yes, everybody have access to every environment. Okay, and this process is not only for Servicenow. This process for any software. This process for any technology. Okay, it may
Okay.
be yes. Any queries here? Chekri, Johnson, you have any queries? Vicky. Good.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, fine. Next. So here I have noted down some useful links to learn Servicenow. Okay. Here I have learned some useful links to learn Servicenow. So you can say community.servicenow.com, community.servicenow.com, developer.servicenow.com, docs.servicenow.com. Okay. So you can say community.servicenow.com. So if you have any queries related to your work, you are going to raise a question within the community. Somebody from community will answer for your question. Okay. Or somebody have some query, you have answer for that. You are going to submit answer for that question. Okay. So within the community, most of the developers have access. Most of the Servicenow developers worldwide have access. You will get solutions for your queries. You are able to submit your answers for other queries. Okay. Yes. Developer.servicenow.com. You already seen this website in yesterday's class. Okay. So if we want to learn something about Servicenow, yes, this website will be helpful for learning Servicenow. And if you want to find some use cases for each concept wise, or if you want to learn some definitions, yes, this will be helpful. Next, product documentation, docs.servicenow. This will provide you the documentation, a theory for each and every concept from the Servicenow. Okay. Mostly within our training sections, I'm going to use these two websites. Okay. Definitely each and every definition. If I'm writing something within the notepad or document, it should be from either from docs.servicenow.com or developer.servicenow.com. Okay. Yes. Next. Next, I will say this one. And these are other websites related to service. All these are the ServiceNow authorized websites. Okay, all these are the ServiceNow authorized websites. ServiceNow app showcases. This also contains some use cases. ServiceNow product lab, ServiceNow app store, ServiceNow developer beta. Yes, I want to discuss something. This is not ServiceNow authorized website, but we have meetup, we have meetups, we have website called meetups. So generally, in the meetups, what we will discuss, some group of ServiceNow developers will gather somewhere and will discuss about some topics. Okay, they will discuss about some new concepts within the ServiceNow like that. These meetings will be happened yearly once or quarterly once. Okay, half-yearly or quarterly. It will be happen depends upon the interest shown by a group of developers. So, for example, we are 10 members. If we want to conduct a meetup program for all our 10 members, yes, we can able to conduct and we'll discuss something. We will gather somewhere physically and we'll discuss about some new concepts and whatever it may be. Okay, it should be like this. Like this, we have ServiceNow snug groups also like that. Okay, like group of people will gather somewhere and will discuss about something within ServiceNow. This is not ServiceNow authorized websites. Okay, but so if you registered for the ServiceNow developer program, if any meetups are happening within your city, it may be Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, maybe in other countries, you will get invite. Okay, if you are interested, you can able to attend. Next. Next. ServiceNow learning portals. This is the latest one. This is the latest one, and this is outdated one. We are not using right now. We are not using right now. And even for trying to access this website, it will be redirected to Now Learning only. Okay. Yes. If you, for example, if you want to learn ServiceNow fundamentals, if you want to learn ServiceNow administration, or if you want to learn some concept wise, maybe if you want to learn ITSM, you want to learn incident management, everything will be available in Now Learning portal. Okay, and few are the paid courses and few are the free courses available. Okay, it depends upon the course you choose, whether it is paid or it is free. Okay. Somebody asked about certification. Yes, we have to discuss here. So you can see, guys, yes, you are learning service now and you are planning to write a certification exam. We have multiple certification exams available. CSA, CAD, ITSM, GRC, FSM, we have any more certifications. Okay, if you want to do the certification, you require voucher, ServiceNow voucher you require for that particular exam. Where you will get that voucher? Once you have completed training within the Now Learning portal, it will generate a voucher for your exam. You have to write your exam within 1 year. That voucher will be valid for 1 year. Okay. So basically, you will not get vouchers for free. It is a paid almost. I don't remember the cost. It may be $2,000 or $300 for completing the training. Okay. So for attending interviews, you don't require any certification as of now. It is not an important. Okay. Once you join in organization, you will check with your manager. They will provide voucher for your certification exam and you can do the certification. Okay. Any queries up to here? Any queries?
No.
Oh, okay, fine. So I also mentioned some Servicenow developer YouTube channels. These, whatever the channels I have mentioned here, these all are the Servicenow authorized YouTube channels. Okay. Servicenow support, Dev support, Servicenow, Dev community, Servicenow Dev program. These are the few YouTube channels I have mentioned. If you have any queries related to any concept, you will find answers within these YouTube channels as well. Okay. You have any queries from these useful links? And you can say I have mentioned some questions. What is ServiceNow? Why we need to use ServiceNow? What are the models in ServiceNow? What are the versions in ServiceNow? Okay. What is the current version of ServiceNow you are using? What are the versions you worked on from ServiceNow? You may get these questions from today's topic. Okay. You may get these questions from today's topic. Any queries here?
Can you once open the community servicenow.com?
Okay. Maybe so can you say?
Maybe here is asking login details.
Sorry. Yeah, it will also ask login details sometimes. Okay. Even
Once you click on
you
login details, it's asking
wait,
something.
wait. You don't require to log in. You want something.
Okay.
Okay. Even if you log in, no issues. It will ask your mail ID. So you have registered with some mail ID, right? Maybe I have
Yes.
registered with, wait. I'm trying to log service now. Friday 23 service now Friday. Yes, this is my mail ID. Remember me. Continue. So you have already logged into developer account, right? Same mail ID you can use for login.
Okay.
I think it will send some OTP kind. No. Like it is asking to set up profile. First time you are logging, right? You can enter your username, company, job title, and all. And if you have any questions, you can ask here.
If we fill all the details again, it's asking the same thing.
Yeah, you can continue to now community. You can click on continue to now community.
Yes, I clicked everything, but every time it's asking that same details.
Oh. State. Plus 530, where it is.
Under IST, I think so.
Come below. GMT 530.
I'm getting something new.
I missed the job title here.
Oh, it
Job
may be
title is pending.
like wait. It may be website mistake. Okay. Job title. Developer.
That's the on this thing
The
since,
username
right?
is already taken.
What do you mean voucher? What do you mean? No. Joanna, what? Yeah,
Yeah.
you have to over here now. That's where you can have a space. You can't be doing it over there.
Okay.
Eh? Why not
Okay.
here? Okay. You look, but you don't have a space here.
Where it is?
Give me some other name, Servicenow training like 555.
So we'll remove this one. So all this thing, I must not be looking for it. Oh, who got this one?
Yeah, I think Vijaya got this.
What do you mean? Just
Vijaya got this issue. Yeah, this is issue related to website.
all this things nonsense. I must
You
not
can
be
see.
looking for all this plug. Oh.
Okay. You can see
It was from here you
Vijaya.
guys took this one.
Yes. So you can see Vijaya. Now it is not asking. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine. We don't require about this Vijaya as of now. Okay. You can concentrate on your trainings and subject related.
Okay, once I will search that community, every time it's asking the same details. That's why I
Yes,
asked you.
yes. From now onwards, it will not ask. I already set up, right? For your account, you have to set up same. Okay. Taking attendance. Yes, today class I'm stopping here. In tomorrow session, we'll discuss about user interface and basic configuration. Okay. When we are taking Servicenow instance newly, what are the things we have to configure? We'll discuss within the basic configurations, and in user interface, we'll discuss in what area we are calling as what. For example, we have this is home page, for example, like this. This is banner. We'll discuss. Like we'll learn all these kind of things. Okay, in real time. So like maybe customer or maybe your code developer say you can go to the global search. You have to know what is global search. This is the global search. All these things we'll learn in tomorrow class. Okay.
Please could you share today's class notes and videos to my email ID?
Yes,
Saddam
Saddam.
Hussein.
Yes. I have seen. I think yesterday you have forwarded your email,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Yeah, definitely. Today you will get class notes, recorded videos. And today, Chekri and Johnson, I don't have your details. So please ping your details to my mail ID. Then I will provide you the today's class notes and recorded videos. Okay. So my mail ID
Okay,
should be
sure.
like this one. Servicenow training 2018 at the rate of Gmail. So this is my mail ID.
Okay, sure. I will do that.
Chekri and Johnson.
Okay.
Yeah, Ravi, you have already forwarded, right? Ravi, Mahesh, have you forwarded your details?
Yes, sir. I have
Okay.
forwarded yesterday.
Have you received class notes?
Yeah, I got the mail. Yeah.
Okay, Kirti, Vicky, have you forwarded your details?
Yes, Sanjay.
Okay, fine. Yes, Chakri and Johnson, you can provide your details. And for every day, we have same meeting ID, same password. Okay, so our time is also same 6 a.m. to 7:20 a.m. IST time zone.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. So we'll meet tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you.